This is the worked examples video for work and power. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, use work equals force times distance. Second, use power equals work over time. And third, rearrange both equations. Two equations here. Work equals force times distance, W, F, D. And power equals work divided by time. So this triangle has W on top, P and T underneath. Keep the units straight. Work in joules, force in newtons, distance in meters, and power in watts. Let's find some work done. A person pushes a box with a force of 50 newtons over 4 meters. Write the equation. Work equals force times distance. Substitute 50 times 4. That's 200 joules of work and 200 joules of energy transferred. Now a power calculation. A motor transfers 1,200 joules of energy in 8 seconds. Write the equation. Power equals work divided by time. Substitute 1,200 divided by 8. That's 150 watts, 150 joules every second. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A crane lifts with 300 N through 5/8. Find the work done. Question 2. A lamp transfers 240 J in 4S. Find its power. Question 3. A 60 W device runs for 10 S. Find the energy transferred. W, PXT. Pause the video. Work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1, 1500 J, W, GCSE, FD, 300 X, 5. Number 2, 60 W, P, say, W, T, say, 240, 4. Number 3, 600 J, W, say, Pete, says, 60, X, 10. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.